Here we have a 2012 Ram 1500. Full four-door crew cab. This is the bigger cab option. It's a previous government fleet vehicle. It's a four-wheel drive, bed liner, towing package, locking tailgate, 76,000 miles, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, vinyl floors, driver information center, cruise control on the steering wheel, automatic headlights, CD player, auxiliary input for MP3, heat and air conditioning, get the four-wheel drive on the fly, nice big back seat, storage in the floors on both sides. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, which is hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open till 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.